Welcome to the top best. The best 4-gauge wire connector is probably one of the most crucial components for any high-power audio system installation, ensuring a secure and efficient transfer of electricity from your amplifier to your speakers. Without a reliable connector, you risk power loss, signal degradation, and even potential damage to your valuable audio equipment, making the selection of the right connector a paramount decision for audiophiles and DIY installers alike who demand the utmost performance and longevity from their car audio setups. Number 5. Haisstronica 120 PCS Solder Seal Wire Connectors. Introducing Haisstronica's Solder Seal Wire Connectors. Our advanced hot melt adhesive system ensures a strong, weatherproof bond in seconds, providing a durable solution for all your wiring needs. These marine-grade connectors are designed for the toughest environments. The integrated solder ensures a complete seal, offering long-lasting connections, especially for larger wires. The heat shrink tubing creates robust cable entry seals. This provides excellent environmental protection, safeguarding your wires from abrasion, cutting, and impact. Never guess the right size again. Each connector is uniquely marked with its wire gauge, allowing for quick and easy selection. We are committed to the quality of our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please reach out to us for assistance. What we like. These connectors offer a marine-grade, weatherproof seal, perfect for harsh environments. If you're working on projects exposed to the elements or need a long-lasting, reliable connection, these are a great choice. They even have gauge markings for easy identification. What people say. The connectors are easy to use, quality and a variety of sizes. Quick and easy, very strong connection. The solder melts and spreads before the heat shrink material splits and fails from too much heat. Although not recommended for use with a lighter, I have found that this product is much more capable than others to use one effectively in the case where it is needed in the field with no electricity. Number 4. Sanuke 4 AWG Copper Wire Lugs with Heat Shrink. This set includes 6 heavy-duty copper ring terminals, sized for 4 AWG wire with a 3/8 M10 stud. You also receive 3 pieces each of black and red 3:1 dual-wall adhesive heat shrink tubing. Crafted from 100% annealed electrolytic copper, these terminals offer maximum conductivity. The dual-wall heat shrink tubing is thick, durable, and designed for safety up to 600 V and 257 degrees Fahrenheit. Their heavy-duty construction ensures high-temperature durability and a closed design that seals out moisture for reliable connections. The flared opening makes wire insertion easy, and the pre-cut heat shrink tubing enhances efficiency. These copper lugs are ideal for distribution boxes, marine use, golf carts, solar panels, and home electrical projects. The heat shrink tubing is perfect for vehicle wiring, DIY projects, and outdoor applications. Made from high-grade copper, they resist corrosion and can be soldered or crimped. The heat shrink tubing provides excellent electrical insulation, tightness, and corrosion resistance, with an adhesive lining that creates an impermeable seal against saltwater and other liquids. What we like. With high conductivity copper and dual-wall adhesive heat shrink, these offer excellent corrosion resistance. If you need a robust connection for applications like solar panels, marine, or golf carts, where moisture and corrosion are concerns, these are ideal. The adhesive lining provides a superior seal against saltwater. What people say. The connectors are well made and provide a secure connection. Easy to install and the wire fits snugly. Good quality material, feels durable. Number 3. Wirefy Heavy Duty Copper Wire Lugs Kit. Introducing the Wirefy Copper Wire Lugs Kit, designed for superior performance and durability. This kit provides robust connections for all your electrical needs. Crafted from high-quality thick copper, these battery lugs ensure exceptionally strong crimps. They are built to last and provide reliable connections. Featuring a protective tin layer, these terminals are shielded against corrosion, even in challenging environments. Keep your connections secure and long-lasting. Enjoy the flexibility to either crimp or solder these battery lugs to your wires. Choose the method that best suits your project and preference. This versatile kit includes the most popular sizes, compatible with 10, 8, 6, and 4-gauge wires. It comes with 1 4 and 5 16 ring eyelets for each gauge. Rest assured with our lifetime warranty on all Wirefy electrical connectors. Our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions. What we like. These tinned copper lugs are designed to prevent corrosion and come in a versatile range of popular sizes. If you're looking for a reliable, long-term solution for battery cables or general electrical work and value peace of mind, the lifetime warranty makes this a very attractive option. What people say. The wire connectors are easy to use and provide a secure connection. These connectors are well made and durable, perfect for high current applications. The design allows for quick and simple wire insertion, saving time during installation. Number 2. InstallGear 4-gauge pure copper lugs with heat shrink. This comprehensive 10-pack includes pure copper lugs and color-coded heat shrink tubes, providing everything you need for your electrical projects. Crafted from pure copper, these connectors ensure the highest level of electrical conductivity. This allows your devices to perform at their absolute best. The included heat shrink tubing guarantees a secure seal for your connections. Its color coding also makes differentiating polarity simple, ensuring an easy installation. With a specific ring and wire input size, these connectors are expertly designed to snugly fit your 4-gauge wires, ensuring a reliable connection every time. These terminals are suitable for a wide range of applications. They offer a versatile solution to meet all your various wiring needs. What we like. Featuring pure copper for maximum conductivity and color-coded heat shrink for easy polarity differentiation, these connectors ensure a secure and hassle-free installation. If you prioritize optimal electrical performance and a straightforward setup, especially for 4-gauge wire applications, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These have a 1-2-inch plus wire input sleeve for excellent crimping enough room for a double crimp. These terminals are made from a single thick piece of solid copper, folded over on itself. High-quality copper lugs that crimp up nice, and they come with the heat shrink to make your termination safe. Number 1. GEARit 4-gauge CCA ground wire all-in-one kit. Introducing a comprehensive kit designed for your automotive, electrical, and lighting needs. It includes everything you require for secure and efficient connections. This kit features two 25-foot bundles of 4-gauge copper-clad aluminum wire, available in red and black. They are perfect for separating primary and ground connections, ensuring added convenience and safety. Effortlessly crimp your connections with our professional-grade tool. Constructed from high-quality carbon steel, it's designed for a wide range of gauges, from 8 to 10 AWG, ensuring a secure fit every time. Cut through aluminum, copper, and communication cables with ease using this heavy-duty cutter. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel, it handles substantial cable sizes, making your work simpler and faster. Achieve optimal connectivity with our heavy-duty copper lugs. Made from annealed bare copper and treated for corrosion protection, they ensure maximum current flow for reliable performance. Create a watertight and weather-resistant seal with our 3:1 heat shrink tubing. The built-in adhesive lining melts to provide an incredibly tight and reliable connection, protecting your work from the elements. What we like. This all-in-one kit provides copper-clad aluminum wire, lugs, heat shrink, and even a crimping tool, making it incredibly convenient. If you're starting a project and need everything in one package, or if you're looking for a cost-effective solution that includes the necessary tools, this kit is perfect for automotive or general electrical work. What people say. Can make custom cables now. Great quality wire, and the tools and terminals work very well too. The wire is tinned, which makes it nice for damp areas like a boat. The cutters are super sharp and handled 4GA wire with no problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.